What's up, everybody? So, got some exciting news, something pretty cool. I haven't really been on YouTube, haven't created any new videos in probably like a month and a half now. 45 days to be exact, which has been a while. So I thought I'd take a moment and catch you guys up on what's going on and why it's been a while and what's coming down the pipeline. Got some cool stuff. Sorry, just got out of the shower and need a haircut. Got a weird hair thing going on, but ignore it. So about 2 months ago, my wife and I were like done with being cooped up in an apartment, especially after the pandemic, having to work from home. We were both working remotely. Doing guitar work isn't my full-time job. It's a side thing. So for me, it'd be great if it was full-time, maybe one day. Also on top of that, my workshop for guitar work was pretty far away. It was like a 40-minute drive there and back, every time I wanted to go. So I couldn't just go regularly throughout the day. So we decided to pull the trigger and get a house here in LA. We did not buy it, couldn't afford to buy a house, but we're renting a house. And we were looking for a space that I could have like a workshop in, so I could literally walk like 10 feet away and be able to work on guitars. That's really, really important to me, and so I just needed that. So anyways, here's what we got. So currently you walk literally out the steps and to detached garage. I know, how awesome. Super lucky. We found a really good deal. So my goal, and what I've already started on, is I'm gonna start, it literally came like this, bare bones, down to the studs, and so it's like pretty much a blank canvas, which is awesome. I got approval from the homeowner to do whatever I wanted in here. So what I'm doing is I'm building a workshop, a guitar workshop, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna take you guys along with me while I'm doing this, but we are going to take these storage shelves that someone built and take those out. So I'm gonna cut those out, pull them out, and pull those junky pieces off the wall. Whoever left those, I don't know. There's some doors up there too. I think I may paint all of the inside of this white and leave it open. Probably not gonna insulate the roof just because that seems like a lot, and I want to get this in working shape quickly, and so the quicker the better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all this junk off the walls, get it down to just the bare studs, like it pretty much is. Got a ton of insulation. I'm going to insulate everything. Also got my drywall, right, Petey? Yeah. It's about 540 square feet of wall space, so I'm gonna insulate and drywall everything. I can't wait. So it's gonna be clean, it's gonna be nice, new walls, and gonna be a proper workspace. Then I can start building this out how I want it to be, with shelving, workbenches, all the above. Also got some awesome news. Huge thank you to everyone out there who is following and or subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I recently just hit over 1,000 subscribers, which is super exciting to me. In the last year, I've been just posting for fun and doing little guitar work and sharing things with y'all that I thought were fun and useful and helpful, hopefully. So yeah, it's just really, really cool to start to see the channel grow a little bit, so quickly within under a year. So thank you guys so much. And I thought also on top of that, since this last year was such a poop year, 2020, as a thank you, I'm gonna give away a guitar. It's a Trini Lopez body style guitar. It's a pretty cool kit guitar, actually. I've never done a kit guitar, and I'm gonna do a video on it. I've always just built from scratch by hand, and I thought, I saw this kit guitar on fretwire.com, and I was like, I've been eyeing it for a while because I thought it was super cool and I like Trini Lopez style guitars. So I pulled the trigger on it, and this was probably like 6 months ago, and I wanted to do a giveaway with this to somebody. So I don't know how I'm gonna do the giveaway yet. I don't know if I can do it on YouTube or if I'm gonna have to do it on Instagram, but I'll figure it out and keep y'all in the loop. But yeah, I want to give it away to one of y'all just as a thank you. So stay tuned for the guitar giveaway. I'm still building it. This is obviously taking priority first, and then once the shop is finished up, I would say probably in the next month or so, I can continue working on guitars and knock out that custom build and give it away to one of y'all. So anyways, that's just a little update for me and kind of where I am, what's going on in life. Yeah, I just wanted to also say thank y'all so much. I do really appreciate the following, the support, the questions. Please keep them coming. I love it. I love answering y'all's questions. I can't wait to open my email and see guitar questions every day. Yeah, it's super fun for me, and I love this, and I'm glad y'all are along for the ride with me. So I hope y'all are doing well and stay safe, and thank y'all again so much for your support, and we'll talk soon. Bye.